Hello everyone, how are you? Today we are going to revise our second chapter, that is sports and nutrition, and uh, a kind of mind mapping. First of all, we are going to start with diet. What is diet? Diet, the food which are eat is known as a diet. Normal language, normal thinking. Diet means we are the meal, the food that we are taking, that is called diet. But in scientifically or sports language, diet have another meaning. The balanced diet. What is balanced diet? A balanced diet may be defined as the diet which contain all the nutrient in the correct amount as required by the body. Well, in diet we need so many things: carbohydrate, protein, potassium, sulfur, vitamins, or all that, right? Now, second thing is factor affecting diet: age, state of health, occupation, climate, gender, body and body build and of constitution, pregnant or feeding mother. These are the factors which affect our diet, right? When age is a very important factor. When we are in good age, young age, we need more balanced diet and more food to sustain the strength or all that, right? Then we have function, importance of balanced diet and nutrition for body, Dis- disease prevention, meeting nutrition needs, weight control, immune system, proper sleep, mental health and quality of life. These are the importance of balanced diet and nutrition of diet. These things we need required. Then fourth one is nutrition. Nutrition is the process of consuming and food and nourish liquid digestive and observing them and using them for health and growth. Nutrients are the component in the food that an organism use to survive and grow. This is this is the main things. Then micronutrients, those nutrients which are required in large amount are called micronutrients. In micronutrients we have carbohydrate, fat, protein and water. Carbohydrate are the sugar, starch and fiber found in fruits, grains, vegetables and milk product sources: fresh food, vegetables, milk, grain, etc. Type of carbohydrate: simple carbohydrate digests quickly, complex carbohydrate digests slowly. Fat contain carbohydrate, oxygen and hydrogen in the ratio 70, 76, 12, 12 respectively, and provide more calories and compared to the other constituent of food. Sources of fat is animal sources, meat and dairy products such as milk, butter, cheese and egg yolk. Second is vegetable sources: edible oil, groundnut oil, mustard oil, cotton seed, sunflower and coconut. Then type of fats: saturated fats, trans fat and unsaturated fat, right? Protein. These are the components of diet also. Protein are the building block of body. Protein contains carbohydrates, oxygen, nitrogen and sometimes sulfur. Sources: animal sources. It contains in meat, fish, egg, milk, cheese, etc. Then plant sources, vegetable sources you can say. It contains the pulses, cereals, nuts, beans, peas, etc. Then water. Water is made up the hydrogen and oxygen element is 2 into 1. Our blood contains 90% of water, right? This is the micronutrient. Then we have, this is the macro and this is the micro. Micro means micronutrient are nutrient which required in very small quantity. Vitamins like vitamins and mineral salts. Vitamins are organic chemical required by the body for various metabolism process and for the normal working of the body. Now we have type of vitamin, fat soluble vitamin, then water soluble vitamin. In fat soluble vitamin, vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. Water soluble vitamins, vitamin B complex and vitamin C. And mineral salt. Mineral salt are required for formation of hormones, maintenance of heartbeat, transmission of nerve pulse, etc. Then type of minerals: sodium, calcium, potassium, magnesium, potassium, phosphorus and sulfur. Microminerals: copper, iodine, chlorium, cobalt and iron. These are the micronutrients. Then we have nutritive component of diet. Nutritive component of diet we have fat, carbohydrate, protein, vitamins, minerals, right? Carbohydrates are the fuel of the body and provide energy. It is simple. In simple word, what is carbohydrate? Carbohydrate is a fuel of the body. Fat contain carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Protein contain elements like carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur. Protein are helpful in growth and development of an individual, especially children. Vitamins are complex compound or carbon. These are required by the body in small quantity. Vitamin are two types: fat soluble vitamin, water soluble vitamin. These vitamins are soluble in fat and stored in liver and fatty tissues. Type: vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K, water soluble vitamins. These vitamins are soluble in water types: vitamin B complex, vitamin C. Mineral are necessary for the growth and development of an individual. They also help in the function of the muscles and formation of teeth. Types: microminerals: calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, potassium, sulfur and sodium. Microminerals: copper, iodine, calcium, chlorium, carbon and iron. Then eighth point is non-nutritive component. This is a nutritive component. Then it is non-nutritive component. Non-nutritive component are of diet compound absorbed from the food by they do not provide energy in the form of calories. Water, artificial sweetness, food additioning, roughage of fiber, preservative, plant compound. Then healthy weight. A healthy weight is based on body mass index BMI and the size of body waist circumstances. BMI weight. Step to achieve healthy weight and given below. Step: set the appropriate goal, avoid strange diets, limit intake of sugar, eat balanced diet and healthy diet, limiting the quantity of food, balance calories take and expenditure, do not skip meal. This is a healthy weight. Active lifestyle, regular exercise. Then food. 10th point is pitfall of dieting. This is a very important point. Pitfall of dieting. Dieting means strictly restriction the small amount of food intake or having special kind of food in order of lose gain of maintain weight. Various possible dangers referred by pitfall of dieting. eating very less calories, skipping meals, limitation, intake the same amount, low energy diet, intake the calories through beverage, not performing physical activity, heart problem, side effects, emotional dangerous, mental dangerous. There are food myth also. Many people just believe everything they hear and read, but one should ask question and reason the topic they want to get. Then food intolerance. Food intolerance. Food intolerance refer to individual element of certain food that cannot be properly perceived and observed by the digestive system. Sign and symptoms. Symptom of food intolerance are can include nervousness, tumor, sweating, palpitation, rapid breathing, headache, migraine, diarrhea during sensation of the skin, tightness across the face and chest, breathing problem, asthma like symptoms, allergy, and reaction. Causes absence of enzyme, chemicals, food poisoning, toxin management. Individual can try minor change in the diet to exclude food causing the reaction person and food intolerance. Problem should be seek expert medical and dietitian help. This is a